Hi and welcome to Add More Zest with Diamonds. My name's Rebecca and I've got a painting to share with you today from ArtDot. So I've actually seen this one being done by somebody in the Facebook group. Yeah, they started doing this sort of before, I'm not sure if it was before this painting arrived or definitely before the unboxing was due. But this is one of their, say, new diamond paintings. It comes in a round tube, very well packaged. Let me get the diamonds out. Oh, we've got a sparkly ABs. So this is their DIY diamond painting kit, and it is this gorgeous butterflies image. So to show you the full image before I show you all the bits that come in with it. Oh, it's quite long. It's a nice and long one. So they have it down as being 26 inches by 13 inches, which is 66 centimetres by 33 centimetres, and it is, so that is just short of 66 centimetres by a bob on 33 centimetres. And for once, looking at the image on here to the actual canvas itself, the canvas looks better, and I don't know why. I don't know what it is, but it actually looks really nice. I'm going to actually hold it up so you can see. Can you see what I mean? I don't know if it's the outlines on the butterflies, but actually looking at the canvas, it makes the picture or the painting pop even more. I mean, just look at those outlines that are showing on this. So it has 35 different colours. It is round. There are a couple of little things that are different. I wouldn't say there's anything particularly different with the canvas. It does have a nice soft back. It is poured glue, which I prefer, and it has a nice clear cover. But there are a couple of things that I am seeing sort of in the bits. One of them is a bit more different and exclusive. But this one, it does come in many premium kits, but you do have the image of the butterflies. Oh, it even has the count of how many diamonds. I like that. But we also have the stickers. But I like the way these stickers are done. And I think these ones are all ABs. I can see one AB. Oh no, I can see two ABs. So I think this sort of background means it's an AB rather than not being. It uses letters, numbers primarily. There is a hashtag and there is an and symbol. But they're really nice stickers. They are sort of rounded on the corners. As I say, they do give you your symbol and your DMC number. I'll show you the other thing that's a little bit different in a minute. But first, I want to check out these ABs. Because, as I say, it definitely looks like they are. So, yes, we do. So we have AB 307, which is this gorgeous yellow AB. And this one is scattered throughout the green butterflies, but more to this side. So, in fact, you can see it pretty clearly. Where you can see yellow, more so here, but then just little touches on here, but then there's none over here. Same going down here. Where you can see the yellow, there is another yellow in there that's not an AB. But there is a scattering of ABs where all these yellow sections are. I'm just checking there's none further over in any place. No, it is basically just a scattering of ABs down this row. And then if you find the next AB, so the next AB here is this one, which is the number 9, 472. Very pale yellowy greeny colour, I would say. So where is the symbol 9? So this is actually in with the green as well, but more slightly towards the green side. So if you can see this very light pale green around here, you can see it down here on the bottom of this wing, top of this wing, top of this wing, bottoms down here. You see where it looks a little bit white, it's actually a pale green, and a little bit down here. So that is basically where your ABs will be spread there. And then the other AB, is actually this gorgeous blue. This is 3846. It's like a turquoisey blue. There is, of course, a lot more of that. So to confirm that AB, there is some here in this butterfly. And then it is primarily, it's actually quite not huge, not all of these butterflies, but if you can see, we've got P, C and H with a little bit of a Z in here, but the letter P, which is sort of quite a few different lines across the butterfly's wing, that is pretty much all the way down here. I say it's not solid, but there is a lot of the letter P down here. There isn't any to this side. It's basically down here, and then this butterfly down here that seems to have lost its place in the colour coordination. It's probably the best way to say it. So yeah, your scattering of ABs is down here. Quite a bit in the yellow, then a very nice little touch in the green, and then you've got, say, quite a bit more of the body rather than the edges of the wings down throughout the blue. Other than that, we have, of course, some very, very bright colours, absolutely gorgeous colours. We've got some gorgeous purples when you get over to this side, burgundies, gorgeous greens, look at that lime green, beautiful blues scattered throughout these colours. And then what I do like that they give you is in your accessory kit, so you get a pen with a 3-placer, you get a heart wax, you get a little tray, and these little trays, if you collect more than one, will connect together if you want them to. You get a little tray. Oh, that's a pretty washi tape. So that's a pretty pink flower washi tape, squishy for on your pen. But what I also like that they give you is they actually give you 2 of their freestyle stickers. So if you saw my earlier unboxing of their sticker box, where you get a load of diamonds and stickers, this is their freestyle. So they do suggest that the letter A is done in a dark colour. So for this one, there isn't any 310s, but you could do 550, which is a dark purple, 820, that's a dark blue, or 939, that's a dark blue. There's also some dark burgundies as well that you could use up when you're finished, or of course you could get some from your own stash. And then the little sort of ArtDot symbol that they have that is all in the middle is just freestyle. So you could have a dark burgundy and then going in. You could potentially even do it. Have we got dark yellow? I'm trying to see. Depending on how many you have left, we do have a darker yellow that you could potentially do and then go into a lighter yellow. There's choices. And then we have a lollipop as well. So I like the fact that they give you a couple of little projects that you can sort of do to use up some of your diamonds before they go away, depending on, of course, how many diamonds you have left. But you could use the inspiration of the butterflies and maybe do some of your dark purple mixed in with maybe some of your paler purple, or maybe you could mix it in with a blue, maybe not that bright a blue, maybe a bright blue. You could mix it in with some of those and create yourself a little star or a little lollipop, just to use up many of those extra diamonds that we need to make sure we can complete the painting. But before we pop them away in our stash to be seen whenever they may be seen, at least that way you will have got a couple of stickers out of it. So I will pop a link to this one down below. But as I say, it's a beautiful painting, it's a beautiful image, but I really, really like the way it looks on the canvas, even before it's been done. In fact, most of these outlines are actually in 550. Not all of them. It depends on where you sort of go, but most of the green and the blue and the purple are actually outlined in 550, but then with 939 giving you sort of the darker shading for the butterflies. But yeah, I just think that's a gorgeous canvas even before it's done. So anyway, I say I will pop the link for you down below in case you want to grab one for yourselves. But thank you to ArtDot for sending me this so that I could share it with you all. And thank you, of course, to all of you for watching. I'll speak to you all again soon.